Welcome back. We're almost at the end of this masterclass. In this section, we'll take a look at generating presentations with AI. Specifically, we'll look at two tools, which are Gamma and Canva and ChatGPT for generating presentations. We'll look at how you can use ChatGPT for doing research and generating text for the presentation. And finally, we'll go ahead and create the presentation along with all the visuals and design elements of it. First, let's take a look at how we can do research for this presentation. So I'm in ChatGPT and I'm creating a presentation on robotics. So I've asked it, what are the biggest developments that have happened in the field of robotics in 2023? So it's connected to the internet. It's done a bunch of research along with the resources and it's given me an answer. Next, I've given it a prompt, which is I want to create a presentation for business professionals who are new to robotics. Take the research above and organize it into no more than 10 slides. And it's given us a structure along with text for each slide. Now you can take this information and go copy paste it into a presentation, or you can create a new presentation with AI. Let's take a look at how we can do that. So for this example, I've gone to the Explore GPTs tab and I've picked the Canva GPT and I've given it a very simple prompt, which is create a presentation on how AI models worked. It's asked me a couple of questions about who the audience is and so on. And then it's given me a few different templates that I can go pick. So let's, for example, take this first one. I click on it. It takes me to Canva. And 1 second, you can see it's giving me a presentation, which looks very nice. I can make edits to it, and then I can go ahead and save it from Canva. Our next tool for creating presentations is called Gamma. So the website is gamma.app. That's gamma.app. Once you've signed in, you can sign up with your Gmail account. This is what it looks like. So you have templates on the side, you have some inspiration, themes, and so on. But we're going to go ahead and create a new presentation with AI. First, it gives us an option. We can paste the text, or we can generate a new file, or we can import an existing file, for example, a PDF or a Word file. So in this example, we could have taken our text from ChatGPT and posted it here. We can generate it from scratch, or we could have uploaded an existing file. So for this, I'll go for generate from scratch. It is asking me what I'd like the presentation to be about. I'll say how AI works in healthcare, and I will go for generate outline. So now it's given me these 8 slides. I can add more slides or I can reduce them. For this example, let's just keep it at 8 and I'll click continue. Now it's giving me a bunch of options for the theme. I can go click on different ones. For example, this, for example, this. Let's keep scrolling. Let's go with this one. I will click on generate. It's now doing its magic, so let's give it a second. And there we have it. You can see it generating text for each and every slide. Just give it a couple more seconds just to finish up. And there you have all of your slides. You can go ahead and click on a specific slide and make any edits that you want, or you can just go ahead and save the file. So I hope that gives you a good idea of how you can create presentations with AI.